Introduction to Syncing MyFitnessPal.
Syncing MyFitnessPal with a fitness tracker lets you see all your health data in one place. In this guide, we'll walk through the steps to connect MyFitnessPal with popular fitness apps and devices. This integration makes it easy to track your calories, workouts, and progress automatically, saving you time and ensuring your stats always stay up to date.
Preparing for integration.
Before syncing, make sure MyFitnessPal and your fitness tracker apps are installed and updated on your device. You'll also need accounts for each app. Common devices people connect include Fitbit, Garmin, Apple Health, Samsung Health, and Google Fit. Charge your devices and ensure Bluetooth is enabled if your tracker uses it for syncing.
Connecting MyFitnessPal to your fitness tracker.
To integrate MyFitnessPal with your tracker, open the MyFitnessPal app and go to Apps and Devices in the menu. Search for your tracker such as Fitbit or Apple Health. Follow the prompts to sign in and grant necessary permissions. This will allow MyFitnessPal and your tracker to share activity, exercise, and nutrition data seamlessly.
Troubleshooting common issues.
If syncing doesn't work, check that both apps are updated and permissions are enabled. Sometimes, logging out and back in can resolve connectivity problems. For Apple Health and Google Fit, ensure MyFitnessPal has access in your phone settings. Relinking the apps, restarting the device, or reinstalling the app can also help resolve persistent issues.
Making the most of your synced data.
Once synced, your calories, steps, and workouts flow automatically into MyFitnessPal. Track your meals and exercises as usual, and MyFitnessPal will display totals and progress. Many users find motivation in seeing a full picture of their habits. Regularly review your data to celebrate achievements and adjust your health goals as needed.
Summary and next steps.
Syncing MyFitnessPal with your fitness tracker is a simple way to streamline your health tracking. By following these steps, you can connect popular apps and devices for automatic data sharing. Continued use helps you stay informed and motivated on your wellness journey. Consider exploring other compatible apps for even more insights.